Indigenous education. Let's talk about what we will cover in this video. First on the list is graduation rates, which are very important. After that is Indigenous post-secondary education rates. We will also talk about the challenges Indigenous children face for education. Then, we will tell you about how other people and organizations have advocated for Indigenous children's education. Last but not least, some ways you can help to advocate for Indigenous children's rights. First, the graduation rates. Indigenous children have a significantly lower high school completion rate than non-Indigenous children. For Indigenous children, just under 2/3 of them complete high school. However, for non-Indigenous children, they average over 90% high school completion rate. For post-secondary education, even more shockingly, Indigenous students living on a reserve have a 2 in 5 chance even attending post-secondary education in 2016. Even Indigenous students living off reserve have an average of 40% of attending post-secondary education. In 2021, First Nations people from remote areas had an average 53% completion of high school. This was significantly smaller than living in easily accessible areas. The average of First Nations completing high school in 2021 was overall higher than 2016. In 2021, the average of First Nations students completing high school was about 70%, which was higher than the 63% in 2016. Overall, female Indigenous students have about a 5% higher high school completion rate than male. People have tried to help by raising awareness through social media, protests, and more. You can help by donating to inspire.ca or spreading awareness just like this video. Don't forget to like,